Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Clark. We're doing partial products multiplication. Today we're going to do 97 times 16. This is 2 digits times 2 digits. So if you're starting to get the hang of this, pause the video, try a few steps, and then use the video just to check your work, and you will remember it better that way. And you're also welcome to follow along if this is still feeling new or challenging. For partial products, we're splitting the numbers into parts so that they're easier to multiply, and then we're just making sure that we multiply against each member of the other team or the other number. So first off, put your two numbers, 97 and 16, into expanded form. Here's what that looks like. The 97 is 90 plus 7. The 16 is 10 and 6. Now we're ready to multiply. We're going to start with the 90, and it's going to go down and across so that it multiplies with this one and this one. So for 90 times 10, I'm going to do 9 times 10, 9 times 1, like this. And then whatever I get, I'm going to stick the zeros back on. But 9 times 1 is 9, and then 0, 0. Cool. All right, now we'll go across. So we're going to do 90 times 6. Forget about the 0. Do 9 times 6. 9 times 6 is 54. And then we stick the 0 back on, 540. Okay, now we're going to use the 7. We're finished with the green because we did this green, the 90. We already multiplied it by both digits of the other number. We did 90 times 10 and 90 times 6. 90 times 10, 90 times 6. We're done with it. Now we're going to do the blue. We're going to do blue 7 times 10, 7 times 6. So we're going to go across and then down. And it makes, the arrows make this bow tie shape in the middle, which can help you keep track. Make sure that you're doing it correctly. So 7 times 10 is 70, because it's 7 times 1, which is 7 with a 0 on the end. 7 times 6 is 42. Almost finished. The last step is to add these all together. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2. 0 plus 4 plus 7 plus 4 is 15, and you're going to carry this 1. 1 plus 9 plus 5 is 15, and there's nowhere to carry, so you're going to write in the full 15. We got 1,552. So that's how we do partial products. We just split it up into expanded form. And then we just make sure that we multiply each digit against the other number's digits. I hope that's helpful to you. Stick around if you want to see the rest of these. And I hope this helps with your math. And have a great day.